When you press the power button, the system booting of the collaborative robot begins, with the blue light blinking. When the blue light around the keypad stays on, the collaborative robot is ready to operate. When you press and hold the robot activation button on the keypad for 2-3 seconds, the light changes to green and the robot becomes active. Robot activation button. Only in the robot activation mode can various tasks be performed. When you press and hold the drag mode button for 2 to 3 seconds, the robot switches to drag mode. What is drag mode? It allows you to program the robot easily by simply demonstrating the desired motion while holding the robot's arm, making it simple to utilize the robot. Press and hold the motion track recording button for 3 to 5 seconds to activate track recording mode. Motion track recording button. Move the robot arm freely to record the track. This allows you to conveniently set the robot's work path. Press and hold the track playback button to review the recorded path. Track playback button. When you press and hold the track playback button, the robot arm will operate along the recorded track. If the robot makes contact with a person or object during operation, it will automatically stop to prevent accidents and errors. Collision detection stop. The collision prevention system of the collaborative robot CR series is a safety system that activates an emergency stop when an obstacle is detected within the work radius.